Hello students, this is our paper first natural resources EVS 2301. Okay, so last few lectures we will discussing about forest resources, their classification, old and second growth forest, ecological significance of forest resources. Okay, so today we will discussing about forest management in India. So let's start their introduction. The principle of participatory forest management, popularly known as joint forest management in India, is based on co-management and a give and take relationship between the two major stakeholders, village communities and the forest department, mediated in most cases by a non-governmental organization. There is an urgent need for bringing to halt the ecological degradation in the form of deforestation, which in turn result in soil erosion, desertification and harmful climatic conditions. Okay, so why forest management is important, or their need. Okay, so bringing to halt or stop the ecological degradation in the form of deforestation, then which in turns result in soil erosion, then desertification and harmful climatic conditions. So then next, forest management aims at efficient management of forest in such a way that the need of the present generation be met without affecting the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. That is, forest management aims to ensure equal access to forest by future generations. For ensuring this, the rate of utilization of forest products has to be within the limits of regeneration. So जी पण नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आहे सो तिलासुद्धा त्या प्रेझेंट जनरेशन बी मेट without affecting the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Okay, that is, forest management aim to ensure equal access to forest by future generation. Okay, so next one, the following measures should be taken to conserve the forest wealth. Firstly, timber and fuel should be used very economically by minimizing wastage. The next one, alternate sources of energy such as biogas, solar energy should be developed to supplement fuel wood. Okay. The next one, overgrazing and deforestation should be prohibited. Then pest and fire control by modern techniques should be adopted to prevent loss of forest. Forestry should be improved by modern techniques like use of fertilizers, irrigation, weed control, tissue culture. Okay. Another vital aspect of forest conservation is afforestation, which means growing of forest in areas unfit for agriculture due to adverse climatic and edaphic factors like saline, waterlogged, unstable soils, etc. It was stipulated in the National Forest Policy that in 1952 that 33% of a country's land area should be under forest cover to sustain agriculture and maintain the quality of our environment. But in India, forest form only 23% of the total land area. Okay, so measures should be taken to conserve the forest wealth. Okay, so firstly काय आहे तर टिंबर अँड फ्युअल वूड असेल. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट वन जे पण बायोगॅस सोलार एनर्जी असेल should be developed to supplement fuel wood. Okay, then next one, overgrazing असेल, then deforestation असेल, reforestation असेल. Okay, then pest and fire control असेल, then जे पण आपण फर्टिलायझर्स, फीड कंट्रोल, टिश्यू कल्चर जे आपण ह्या टेक्निक्स यूज करतो. ओके, त्या थ्रूसुद्धा ह्या सगळ्या जे पण फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेस असतील त्यांच्यावर खूप जास्ती प्रमाणात इम्पॅक्ट होतो. ओके, सो देन नेक्स्ट वन, with a view to make up for this shortfall, the central and state governments have undertaken many afforestation programs such as agroforestry, then social forestry, then urban forestry. Agroforestry, in this the same piece of land is used for farming, forestry and animal husbandry. The next one, social forestry, in these trees are raised for fuel wood, fodder, edible fruits, agricultural implements and construction purposes for rural populations. Then next one, urban forestry, in this the ornamental fruit trees are grown in urban areas such as house compounds, then common parks and along roads. In India, ever since 1950s, a special functions of trees plantation, namely One Mahotsav, is held each year to make people forest conservation. One Mahotsav is celebrated twice a year during the months of February and July. Okay, so ह्या सगळ्याचं किंवा जे पण फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेस आहेत त्यांचं कन्झर्वेशन करण्यासाठी किंवा जे पण प्लांटेशन करायचं आहे तर त्यासाठी एक महोत्सवची प्लॅनिंग केलेलं आहे ज्याचं नाव काय आहे की वन महोत्सव. ओके, हेल्ड ईच इयर मेक अ पीपल फॉरेस्ट कन्सियस. वन महोत्सव इज सेलिब्रेट ट्वाईस अ इयर. जो हा वन महोत्सव प्रोग्राम आहे तर तो वर्षातून दोनदा तो प्रोग्राम सेलिब्रेट केला जातो, month of February and July. For a week in each of these months, trees plantation is carried out in barren, unproductive fallow land. Thereafter, with regular care and protection, these samplings grows into full-fledged trees. One Mahotsav is not merely a festival; it is a process of land transformation to recreate forests where there were none before. Okay. सो जे पण असे लँड्स आहेत तर त्या ठिकाणी हे प्लांटेशन केलं जातं आणि त्यांचं जे पण ते प्लांट्स आहेत त्यांची काळजीसुद्धा घेतली जाते. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन, what is forest management? So forest management is the branch of forestry concerned with the overall administrative, economic, legal and social aspects and with the essentially scientific and technical aspects, especially silviculture protection and forest regulation. Okay, that is the definition of forest management. What is the definition of forest management? That is, forest management, it is the branch of forestry concerned with the overall administrative, economic, legal and social aspects and with the essentially scientific and technical aspects, especially silviculture protection and forest regulation. The next one, this includes management for aesthetics, fish, recreation, urban values, then water, wilderness, wildlife, wood product, then forest genetics, resources, and other forest resource values. Okay. Then management can, based on conservation, economics, or a mixture of the two techniques, include timber extraction, planting, and replanting of various species, cutting roads and pathways through forest and preventing fire. Okay, so that is इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट. सो जे पण आपल्याला त्यापासून प्रोडक्ट्स मिळतात आहे जे की इन्क्लूड्स मॅनेजमेंट फॉर ॲस्थेटिक, फिश, रिक्रिएशन, अर्बन व्हॅल्यूज,